welcome to the Bees Adventure!
Ready to cook?
First, wash your hands.
Hey, need some help?
Yeah, give some.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Bees Adventures. Today we're gonna make finger hot dogs. Okay, guys. So now we're making finger hot dogs.
Hot dog.
So we're gonna show you how to make it. Grab any kind of hot dog, just cut it in half, and then the end part of it, you just slice the top of it. Slice it off. You don't have to cut a whole bunch of it off, just, you know. Then you just snag it off. There you go. And then you know the lines on your fingers. Once again, no lines in the hot dog. And if you want to put cheese or anything else on it, put anything you want, but we're going to put cheese on it. Gonna mush up the cheese. Just put it on the hot dog. Yeah, man.
I think that's like your finger.
It's okay. Oh, you cut it off. It's all right. Just yeah, it's all right, bro. Just.
Hey, Mama. Sorry, Mom.
It looks good, though.
Look good? Look, just like your finger.
Yeah, ooh, it does look like a
cheesy,
finger.
man.
Okay. Now, pink.
Ooh, Mama, you did good. Go ahead, Mama. With some cheese.
It'll help if you ball the cheese up a little, though.
For you.
Oh my gosh.
No,
All right now, though.
Yeah, put some shit up a
Oh,
little bit.
it's okay. It's a cut finger.
Pumpkin.
Yeah, that look good.
Look at that, Dave.
What you got, Bray?
Look.
Let's have yours, man.
Ooh.
Like this one.
Creepy.
That's it.
Hey, my they're black fingers.
Ooh,
Oh my god.
Next thing we're gonna do is mummy hot dogs.
Mommy.
And we're also gonna make spider hot dogs too. Same. It's a regular hot dog, cut it in half. And then we're gonna do the mummy hot dogs first. So you get this little dough, any kind of dough. And you just make sure don't cover the top of the head. And you just wrap it all the way around. Make sure try not to leave no spots. And the next thing we're gonna do is the hot dogs. I mean the spider hot dogs. Spider hot dogs you just cut like 4 slices in the bottom and the top of the hot dog.
Apple. Cacao.
Other side. Like 4 slices.
No, I will go.
And then you just take this biscuit dough. Just take it on around the hot dog.
make this good man. He might just shake one. I could shake one.
Here's the mommy hot dog.
Look, Mom, I made a shake one.
Look nice though.
This big shake?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. That's a mama shake.
Here goes the little, see? Mommy hot dog.
He's like, I mean mama shake. Look at
Mommy hot dogs.
And then we keep back. Keep back with us.
Got it, right?
This is gonna be the spider.
Spider.
Yeah.
I got 2 shake fins.
Now we're gonna make hot dog worms.
This is one. This is one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that is. This one has a sample. One. Hey, Dad, look at this one. Look at this one.
Oh, that's a little bitty one.
Look at it. Look, Dad. This is daddy one.
That's a daddy one.
And this is steak.
That's a steak.
Yeah, it's a fat steak.
That's it.
Look, and cut the piece up. Look, Dad. Now you fat. Look.
You got that
Oh,
one.
and cutting fat. Oh, he's breaking out. Look, Mom. He's a steak. Look. Let me count.
Let's see.
It looks nice.
You cut the whole thing.
You got it, right?
Oh, it's saucy. Okay. Here's the one that.
Oh, there you go.
Paris. So I can make me one.
You got it, so?
Did you run through it?
Look, Mom.
You cut one of the ones off.
I cut one of it off. Because my neck is a little warm. Hey, it's good.
First we're gonna make a peanut butter finger sandwich. First, you're gonna get any kind of bread. Where's the hamburger buns? But you can use any kind of bread you want.
So we
Just
got-
flip it over. Yeah.
That sounds like clown.
Hamburger is one though.
Now we're gonna get some peanut butter.
I'm being butter on mine
Put it on the opposite side. Flip it over. And just put it on there.
I'm being butter on mine.
Peanut butter on your guys. Wait a minute. What's up? You don't have nothing to put on, but I'll try to put it on.
But you want to put mine on there?
Yeah.
You put butter on mine?
Wait, it's already done.
Go play
Wait, hands right. Okay, you want me to put some on yours?
Yeah, make it.
Okay, try it.
That's right.
That one.
That one's a big one. I take this home.
This one too. Now you got it. Put peanut butter on the opposite side. Now you just roll it up. Just try to roll it up the best you can. Well, I'm gonna try to do the best as I can too. Also, just roll it up. There you go. Just roll it up. And then when you do get that, roll it up. knife and you cut it.
What in the?
Cut it. The top of it. Just cut pieces of it off. Like slant it part off. And then if you got jelly or any kind of something red or close to red, you put it on the top. The finger of it. It's the fingernail. Bloody fingernail. And then on the back of it, you also put blood on it. See blood. And then we also have candy sprays. So you can also put.
Yes, blood.
We also have almonds. You can put almonds on the top of it.
What is the teeth?
Fingernail.
So what do you think it tastes like? Thanks for watching. Bye.
Here's some scope.
Choose a piece of it,